Hey guys, this is your girl Mimi. As you know, MIMI, as it is hot. Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my subscribers and my viewers. I thank you all for your support and I love you guys. Okay guys, that being said, what am I doing this morning, guys? I am bringing to you this nice recipe of your breakfast. Oh god, this is so nice, guys. Okay, let's go there. Oops, another. Okay. Okay, here we go. I spring onions. Guys, you know me. I do my videos with details. I spring onions. My Irish potato. Cabbage. Tomatoes. And onions. So guys, as you all know me in this channel, I eat a lot of pepper. But on this meal, I'm not going to add much pepper. Yeah, just a little. And then my salt and just a little bit of salt because this meal hates salt. And then next, my milk and flour. That's milk and flour there. And mix. And mix and mix. So guys, lest I forget, I'm going to be adding some corned beef to this, just to spice it more dramatic. So guys, that being said, all you need to do is just support this channel by subscribing, like, share, and then more recipes on your doorstep. Okay guys? So guys, this is what the turning looks like. I have just turned it now for the other part to be ready. Okay. This is so nice, guys. What's up this morning? Guess what? Guess where I am right now. I mean, I won't tell you now. I'll tell you later. So guys, the breakfast is ready. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let's enjoy this. So, wow. Guys, this is so good. So, guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. That being said, bye for now. Don't forget, Mimi loves you. Mimi loves you so much. My viewers, my subscribers, I love you. And bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.